Are you looking for an email marketing platform that's easy to use, flexible, and won't break the bank? Look no further than Moosend. In this video, we'll explore why Moosend is a serious contender in the email marketing space and how it stacks up against the industry heavyweight ConvertKit. Ease of use. Let's start with one of Moosend's standout features, its user-friendly interface. With Moosend, you don't need to be a design expert or a tech wizard to create stunning email campaigns. Their drag-and-drop email editor makes it a breeze to build professional-looking templates without any coding knowledge. Simply choose from their library of pre-designed templates or start from scratch and customize your email with just a few clicks. Flexibility. Moosend offers a wide range of features that give you the flexibility to create targeted and personalized email campaigns. With their advanced segmentation options, you can divide your subscriber list based on demographics, behavior, and preferences, ensuring that your messages reach the right people at the right time. But that's not all. Moosend's automation workflows allow you to set up triggered emails and customer journeys based on subscriber actions, such as abandoning a cart or clicking a specific link. This means you can nurture your leads and keep them engaged without lifting a finger. Ease of Use Part 2. Another aspect of Moosend's ease of use is its landing page builder. Moosend allows you to create stunning landing pages to capture leads and grow your email list. With their intuitive builder, you can design high-converting landing pages in minutes, even if you don't have any design experience. Affordability. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: pricing. While ConvertKit is a powerful platform, it can be quite expensive, especially for small businesses and startups. This is where Moosend really shines. Moosend offers affordable pricing plans based on your number of subscribers, with prices starting at just $9 per month for up to 500 subscribers. As your list grows, you can easily upgrade to a plan that fits your needs without breaking the bank. Plus, Moosend offers a 30-day free trial so you can test drive the platform before committing. Comparison with ConvertKit. So how does Moosend stack up against ConvertKit? While both platforms offer email marketing and automation features, Moosend has a few key advantages. Firstly, Moosend's user interface is more intuitive and beginner-friendly, making it easier for non-technical users to create and manage campaigns. Secondly, Moosend offers a drag-and-drop landing page builder, which is superior to that of ConvertKit. Finally, Moosend's pricing is much more affordable than ConvertKit's, making it accessible to a wider range of businesses. To give you an idea, ConvertKit's pricing starts at $29 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers, while Moosend's plan for the same number of subscribers costs just $19 per month. So if you're looking for an email marketing platform that combines ease of use, flexibility, and affordability, Moosend is definitely worth considering. With its user-friendly interface, powerful automation features, landing page builder, and budget-friendly pricing, Moosend gives you all the tools you need to create successful email campaigns and grow your business. So why not give Moosend a try? Sign up for their 30-day free trial using the link in the description below and see for yourself why Moosend is a serious contender in the email marketing space. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.